In today's video, I want to show you one of the most amazing ways of migrating a website from one hosting company to the next hosting company. So this process is going to be very easy. And by the way, before I even get started, I just want to remind you that this does not only work with InstaWP Live, you can use this with any hosting company. All right, so what's important here is to make sure that the hosts that you're going to be migrating to needs to have a blank website. So as you can see here, I have this website called Migrated site, and this is a blank WordPress website. So that's very important. And then obviously over here, this is the website that we need to migrate over to the new server. Okay, so the next step now is to go to this URL called app.instawp.io/migrate. You should be able to get this display. So what you need to do now is to enter your URL here of the website you want to transfer. So let's head over back. So this is our URL. I'm going to copy that like that, come over here and paste it. Now we need to enter our destination URL. But before I do that, I just want to make sure that I connect this. So I'm going to click on connect. So notice what's happening here. I need to make sure that I approve this connection. So I'm going to say, yes, I approve this connection. Go ahead and click on that. So what is happening here is InstaWP Connect plugin is being installed in order for it to connect with our website. So now you can see that it has been connected. All right, so the next step now is to go to the destination website. So remember, this one needs to have a blank WordPress install. I'm going to copy that, come back over here, and I'm going to go ahead and paste the URL like that, and then click on connect. So same thing, I need to go ahead and approve this connection. So now both sites are connected. It's time now to hit migrate. So I'm going to click on start migration, and then I'm going to go ahead and start migration. So this may take a while depending on how big the website is. And I also need to re-emphasize that this does not only work with InstaWP Live, it also works with any other hosting companies. So as you can see, this is a very easy way of migrating a website from one host to the next host. Sometimes we have to use all these complicated plugins where we have to spend hours trying to set up both sites. But as you can see, this time, this is pretty amazing. I can't wait to see the final result here. And by the way, if you haven't started using InstaWP Live yet, you need to go ahead and check it out. This is a fantastic hosting platform for your WordPress websites. And the cool thing about it is, if you start off with InstaWP, you can design all your staging websites, and by a click of a button, you'll be able to export your website onto InstaWP Live. Again, I'll leave the link to that in the video description below. So you probably may be asking, why are we migrating our website using this method? Well, there are several reasons why this is better. First of all, you don't have to buy other plugins to do this migration or pay some services for you to be able to do this. This is absolutely free. Secondly, you can see here that the process of migrating our websites is very straightforward. As you can see here, we just have to go in and add our URLs, and pretty much that's it. Now, at any point, if you decide you want to stop the transfer, we have the option here to go ahead and stop it. But I don't know why you would do that, because right now we are migrating our website. So we are 50% done, and in a moment we should see our final migrated website. Can't wait to see that, because this process here is super amazing. Okay, so now it's telling us that our migration is complete. There are no errors. So now I can go to the site by clicking over here, and there we go. We have our migrated website, and as you can see here, it is running Divi, and that's how you migrate a website using an online tool which is absolutely free. So this is probably the fastest way to migrate your website for free. The UI is also basic. Even if you haven't used WordPress before, as you can see, this was very easy to do. It's compatible with pretty much any WordPress website, and the most important thing is it is very reliable and very smooth. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the video description below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.